Welcome to the session. Today we will start with the simplest program of adding two numbers. This helps you learn about variables, arithmetic operations, and printing output in Java. Let's get started. Let's create a new class, give it a name, and check the main method. Let's declare a variable a and let's assign a value 10. Next, we'll declare another integer variable b and assign the value 20. Now let's add both the variables and store the result in the new variable called sum. And finally, let's print the result, that is sum. Let's save this and run the program. So we should get 30, which is 10 plus 20. So yeah, the result is 30. Now let's debug this program and understand what exactly happens. Let's have a debugger at integer variable a and let's debug the program. So I'm clicking on next. So the first line, value 10 gets assigned to integer variable a. Okay, I'm clicking on next. Now the value 20 gets assigned to variable b. So when I click on next, the values in the variables both get added and get stored in a new variable called sum, which is again an integer variable. And finally, we are printing out the sum. That's it. You just written your first Java program. It's a simple one. I guess you got that. In the next session, we'll explore how to swap two numbers. See you in the next video. Bye.